Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you all? So today's tutorial is a little bit different. It's about my Ramadan preparation. Just wanted to share it a little bit with you all. So here I am grating carrots. It depends how much material you need. So I took like 1 kilo carrots and 1 cabbage and 1 onion ring bundle. Also chicken was like 2 kg, boneless chicken and fresh chicken mixed together. So I added some spices in it, for example chaat masala and some black pepper, salt a little bit, and some soya sauce also, yeah, and vinegar a little bit. It depends on your taste how you like it. So here I'm taking 2 tablespoons of flour. I have to mix it with water, just make a paste out of it. There is no special recipe to it. You just have to make a glue for your spring roll or sambosas. So yeah, I'm just mixing it together. So I like to use Sumbulah and Switz Springroll sheets. They are really tasty and easy to make with. They should be fresh, of course. You can take any other fresh spring sheets as per your location. So I like these ones. So I'm just gonna take all the things with me in a tray and set it in front of me. Also, I did not boil or cook my vegetables. I do not like them. I just put it like that directly. So here I'm taking 2 spring roll sheets in front of me, and then I'm gonna add some material into it and then make a roll out of it. I take 2 sheets because it makes the spring roll more crispier and more crunchy and more tasty. I do not like 1 sheet because it makes the roll breakable easily and it's not that crispy either. So next I'm gonna prepare sambosas. It will be mutton, minced mutton sambosas. I'm gonna take 4 onions and like 5 packets of mutton, and then green onion, 2 packets of it. It depends how much you want. There is no specific recipe to it. 1 coriander crushed, and a packet of peas. Of course you will not put the whole packet, but it depends how much quantity you are making. So I'm gonna make like more than 200 pieces of sambosas. I'm gonna add first ginger garlic into my minced mutton, and then I'm gonna cook it so that when the water is dry, then I'm gonna add the peas into it, and then spices will go. Of course onions will also go. I just cut them with my hand, with my fingers, just like thin layers out of it, and then I just add it directly into my material with green onion and or red onion, and then white onion, and then spices like turmeric, chaat masala, a bit of it, red spice, a little bit, and salt. Now again over here I'm taking 2 tablespoons of flour because we have to make the glue for the sambosa to make it ready to close the sambosa, just like we did in spring roll. So here I'm going to make sambosas like we usually do, the same method. Take one leaf out of it and then put some material, then fold it in the left side, then the right side, then the left side, and the right side. So this is very easy. I hope you liked and enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much. Happy Ramadan.